Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a new method to get free Instagram followers. And yes, this actually works. With this method, you can add as many followers as you want. Just look at my notifications. New follows are coming in non-stop. And the best part? These are real accounts, not bots or fake profiles. So if you want to grow your Instagram without spending any money, make sure you watch this tutorial all the way through. First things first, your Instagram profile must be set to public. This part is super important, otherwise the followers won't be able to come through. Just go into your Instagram settings, open the privacy section, and make sure your account isn't private. That's all you need to change. Now let's move on. Grab your phone and open up your internet browser. Go to the website fameig.com. Once you're on the site, enter your Instagram username. Take a second to double-check that it's typed correctly, then hit the connect button. This links the site to your Instagram account so the followers can be added. Now comes the fun part. Choose how many followers you want. For this example, I'm going to select 1,000 followers. As soon as you pick the amount, the process will start. At some point, you may see a bot check. Don't worry, this is normal. It'll say something like, "You are almost done." You'll see your username and the follower amount. All you have to do is press the button to continue. After that, you'll be taken to the most important page. This page will tell you that 2 tasks need to be completed. These are sponsored apps that support us, which is how the service stays completely free. Without this step, the followers can't be delivered. For example, one of the offers might be TikTok. You just tap Unlock Now, download the app from the App Store or Google Play, and that counts as one completed task. Another one might be a game like Travel Town, where you simply download the app and reach a certain level, like level 9. That's it. These apps are 100% free. There are no paywalls and nothing sketchy. You just follow the instructions shown on the screen. Remember, you only need to complete 2 offers total. Once you're done, go back to Instagram, and you'll start seeing followers coming in. You can click on them, check their profiles, they're real accounts, and it works on both iOS and Android. That's why this is one of the best free Instagram follower methods right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If this worked for you, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.